Now let's see what sets our soils apart from the competition. It all starts here at our own facility. We use all natural materials in a mixture developed by the Louisiana State University's Department of Agriculture, especially for Soil Depot. All of our soils are screened for dirt and debris, which means you get a pure product with no trash or fillers. Sure, this process takes longer, and we are a little pickier than some of the other guys, but our customers are worth it. Only the richest garden soils, freshest mulches, and cleanest clays are ever used. Once the materials pass inspection, they're ready to be delivered to the customer. Best of all, we can help out with any quantity, be it just a bag or a whole truck full. Soil Depot, service you can rely on, experience you can trust.